All right, I just received these solar water drift lamps. They look awesome. Let's open up the box and check them out. All right, so here we are. This is the instruction manual. We'll need to read that. And these are the lights. Let's take a look at them. Oh, look at this. Wow. Is that cool? Look, they've got a solar panel in them. And apparently you just stick them in the pool and they drift. And I think we just press this button. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. All right, so I set them outside here, and we're gonna let these charge up, and then we'll put them in the pool later on tonight. Check them out. Here they are. Let's go ahead and put them in the pool. See how they look. All right, so here's our pool lights. They're ready to go. I got one in there. There's another one. Let's get these two. Grab this one. Put her in. Looking good. We just got one more. And here we go. Check it out. Whoops. There they are. Pretty awesome, huh? Pool lights. Let's get this one farther out. Out there. There we go. There they are. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out. Floating pool lights. Let's get this one farther out. I just throw it out there like that. Check it out. Just floats around.
What turns them on? A battery?
They're solar powered.
Oh, really?
I charged them all day today.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I mean, you know, be fun.
If you want to know what white ones look like, you need to do a video on white ones. You need like 4 boxes of them.
Oh, okay.